Keep calm if you have a problem with your Documents folder. You may accidentally remove the Documents folder from Finder or Dock. Turn on iCloud Drive and Documents Sync on your Mac or other human errors. Today, we'll introduce 4 ways to help you fix the Documents folder missing on your Mac. Method 1. Find missing documents with EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for Mac. You can open Safari, visit EaseUS's official website, and download it. This data recovery software can fully scan your Mac disk, which helps you find the disappeared folder easily. Besides, this Mac data recovery software can recover data lost due to deleting, formatting, partition loss, and more. It has many highlights and advantages. Step 1. Select the location where your important documents were lost and click Search for Lost Files. Step 2. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for Mac will immediately start a scan on your selected disk volume. Meanwhile, the scanning results will be presented in the left pane. Select Documents, and you can quickly filter the doc/pdf/ppt/xls files you've lost earlier. Step 3. Select the target files and preview them by double-clicking them. Then, click Recover to get lost documents back at once. Method 2. Show Documents folder in Finder sidebar. If you still can't find the missing Documents folder, follow the steps to retrieve the missing Documents folder on macOS Sonoma and Ventura. Step 1. Click the Finder Settings option. Step 2. Go to the Sidebar tab and click the Documents option. Then, restore the missing or disappeared Documents folder on Mac. Method 3. Fix MacBook Documents folder missing in iCloud settings. As mentioned, you can't find the Documents folder if your Mac automatically backs up files in iCloud. Step 1. Navigate to Apple System Settings, iCloud Settings, iCloud Drive on Mac. Step 2. Click on the Desktop and Documents folders to uncheck or check the option. After doing that, your missing Documents folder will appear successfully. Method 4. Add Documents folder to the dock on Mac. If the Documents folder is missing from Mac dock, you can get it back in the Finder window with these steps. Step 1. Go to Finder and Control-click the Document option. Step 2. Click the Add to Dock option. Then, you can easily access the Documents folder from the dock. If you can't find the Documents folder on Mac, run the tips above to regain the missing folder. If the folder is deleted by mistake, EaseUS free Mac data recovery software can help to recover deleted documents on Mac. If you found these methods helpful, please subscribe to us.